feel very relaxed because for me, I have the support home. So I know that he's home in good hands. I call 1 or 2 times per day to make sure that everything is good and so on. So I feel very relaxed. The first day, mommy rushed me off the phone. Tell me to leave, don't worry, he's fine, he's sleeping, everything is good, go and go do people at work. So every morning I get up at 5, sometimes I wake up before that. So I try to get myself ready first before he wakes up. Then around when I just come out of the bathroom, he would wake up and then I would bathe him before mommy takes over. So because I breastfeed him that early in the morning, I would drink this tea, mother's milk. It can help me to produce more milk plus my water. So I drink a lot of water every day. I had a conversation with my supervisor and let her know that I have to express my milk. I'm in the room, I would take out my storage bags. The breast pump that I have, I sterilize it before I use it. So I would wrap it up when I reach in the room, plug it in. It actually uses current and batteries. So when I go in the room, I actually plug it in so it moves faster because the batteries kind of put it slowly. So I plug it in and I'm using the maternity bras, put it down, put it on, and it would just automatically pump because it's the electronic ones and it automatically pumps it, and I can tell when it's finished because I don't see much coming out, and then we just pause, put it in the next breast, express it, and then throw it in the bag. The bag has on the name, how much ounces I expressed, the time, so I would just write that on, throw it in, zip it in the fridge. So about a week or so before returning to work, I would express my milk when I know he's sleeping. And then once that milk is stored, I would leave home. Because once I'm home and he knows I'm there, he's not gonna take the bottle with the breast milk in it because he wants to latch on the breast. So I would just leave home, mommy will feed him. When I get back, I know he'd be sleeping again. My breast would be full enough to express some more. I would express the milk, store it in the freezer, and all those milk would just stock up until the week at work. And then the Wednesday when I came back to work, I would express at work, take them home. There will be another stock on top of those at home. So that is enough for him to last him for the day or two. So every time I go home after work, I have a stock coming home for him. During my pregnancy, I knew I was seeing milk coming out of my breast. So when he was born and I realized that nothing was coming, I was a bit worried and concerned. As soon as he was born, I asked for him to go to be on my breast. But even though I wasn't expressing any milk at that time, so I just wanted to make sure that he latched on properly on the breast. That happened, but because he wasn't getting anything from my breast, they had to give him, the formula, unfortunately. But as soon as I realized the milk was coming, where I had to put a warm cloth on top of my breast, so that will just make it flow properly. And the baby boy, he on the body every minute. He's on the breast every minute on the day. But when he sleeps for his 3 hours. But he's like an alarm. So when he's hungry, he wakes up every 3 hours on the breast, and he's good. Once the support is there, relax. Enjoy yourself. Make sure you drink a lot of water, drink your tea, eat properly. When you're ready to come back to work, make sure that where you're planning to have your baby, that it's in the best interest, so that you don't work up yourself at work, you don't have to run in and out, so you're relaxed. Because however you're feeling, remember, it's always gonna pass through your baby. You want a calm, nice, sweet baby boy, please be calm and nice and sweet and relaxed, and it will happen. Don't stress yourself.